Hello guys, in this video I will show you how we can use text to voice AI on your iPhone. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's do this. First, download and open AI Voicer app. You can download it from App Store. Click on plus icon, type or paste your text here. For example, tap on done. There are a lot of voice characters here. You can choose between them. Male, female, news, and the other category for music.
Birds chirp their morning song, welcoming a brand new day.
Birds chirp their morning song, welcoming a brand new day.
After that, click on
Hello
generate.
everyone, it's a new AI
And now
for iPhone.
my voice has been created and I can download it. Thanks for watching this video. If it's useful, don't forget to like, and for more content like this, please subscribe to support me. Thank you.
Delegate.